Hi, my name is Ian. I'm the owner of CCC Window Cleaning here in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm also the inventor of the best towel clip you will ever use, called the Towel Viper. This is the Towel Viper. The easiest, simplest, most durable, probably best towel clip you will ever use on your job site. It's very easy to use. You just take it right here. It's got a little clip with a barb at the bottom, and it just slips over any standard utility belt like so. You can even slip it over the edge of your pants like so. And the way that it functions is you just take any towel, grab a little wad at the end of it like that, and just slip it right in there. It'll hold it in place. When you're ready to use it, you just pull it straight out. It's very simple. Again, I'll show you. You don't want to take it like this and wad it and try and stuff it in the top. Just grab a little wad or even the corner. You take the towel, just slide it in nice and easy like that. When you're ready to use it again, just pull it straight out. It doesn't have any moving parts. It's made out of strong, durable ABS plastic. It's very affordable. And most of all, like I say, it's pretty much unbreakable. Doesn't have the tendency to open up like some of these alligator style clips that try to pinch the towel. Has a little handle on it, you know, that you have to depress and stick the towel in, or somehow clip the towel to your belt. I've used those, and I discovered that I would bump into stuff and the towel would fall out if that clip opened up. And again, it's got moving parts that can wear out and break. Not the case with this. It's very simple, very durable, super simple to use, and you can use it once you get used to it pretty much sight unseen. You just finish doing what you're doing with your towel, feel back there, stick the towel in, it'll hold it till you're ready to use it again. It's called the Towel Viper, and once you get one of these and use it, you're going to wonder how you ever got along without one. So get yours today. Towel Viper. Again, this is the device. This is the Towel Viper. So you can just hook it on your belt, on a regular pair of pants. Any towel that you're using, you just take it, wad it up like this, just shove it in there. It pinches it in place. When you need it, you just pull it straight through. I noticed the tendency when I show people the first time they've ever seen it, they want to kind of stuff it in there. Obviously that's not very convenient and not very efficient, so we want to just take it, just shove it in there like that, just with a wad of the towel. Now you can see here I'm wearing just a standard canvas utility belt, 2 inches in width. This is designed to hook onto the edge of that belt perfectly with this little barb on the end that clips onto the belt. So you just take it, slip it on there like that. And again, any towel you're using for washing windows or detailing cars or whatever it is you're doing, just take that edge, that pointed edge or that wadded little bit, and you shove it right in there like that. And again, when you need it, just pull it straight out. Very simple, very effective. Best thing on the market for personal towel use, personal towel retention. I use about 4 or 5 of these every day when I'm washing windows, and I would never use anything else because there really is no substitute.